Hello, in this video I will show you how to make this beautiful daisy in granny square. The size is 4 by 4 inches or 10 centimeters per 10 centimeters. It will be so nice for your project like a scarf, tunics, blouses or even bags. Let's get started. For the work I will use yarn 50 grams 200 meters, yellow and bright pink colors, and crochet hook 1.7. We will start from the yellow yarn, make a magic ring, make it like a cross, put the hook under, grab the working yarn and secure it with a one chain. Now make 2 more chains. It will be instead of first double crochet. Now work into the ring and make 23 double crochet more, plus 3 chain instead of the first one will be 24 stitches in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, and continue the same way till you reach 24 stitches in this round. I made 24 stitches. Now we can pull the short tail to tie the ring, and now we can make slip stitch. Find the third chain, insert the hook, grab the working yarn and work through everything. Next row number 2, 1 chain to bring up the yarn and work single crochet in each loop. All around the way till the end. 24 stitches will be in a total of the round 2. Continue. I am about to finish. Now I need to make slip stitch, and we will do it in the first chain. Remember, we made it to bring up the yarn, but do not finish it with the yellow color. We will finish with pink color. Attach it, grab the yarn and pull through all loops. This way it will be not noticeable changing of the color. And make next round number 3. 6 chain, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 times yarn over, and we will make 3 double treble crochet cluster. First insert the hook into the same space, into the same loop we were working on. Yarn over, work through 2, only 3 times, do not finish. Again 3 times yarn over, insert the hook into the next loop, bring it up, yarn over, work through 2, almost till the end. Also do not finish. And once more make 3 times yarn over and also do not finish. Now we have 4 loops on a hook, chains and 3 double treble unfinished crochet. Yarn over, work through all 4 loops at once. Now to finish the petal we need to go down. Make 6 chain for that. 3, 4, 5, 6. Now join it. Insert the hook into the same loop we made the last stitch and make slip stitch. The first petal is ready. To make the next one, insert the hook into the next loop and make slip stitch. Again, 6 chain to start new petal, 6, 3 times yarn over, insert the hook into the same loop, bring it up, yarn over, work through 2, 3 times, do not finish. Again, yarn over 3 times, insert the hook into the next loop and make through 2, 3 times. In the third time, we do exactly the same way. Again, we have 4 loops on a hook. Yarn over, work through all 4 loops. 6 chain to finish the petal, 4, 5 and 6. Slip stitch into the same loop of the second row to finish the second petal. Slip stitch into the next loop and continue the same way till you have 8 petals in this row. I'm about to finish the third row. I made 6 chain. Now I need to join it into the loop we had last double treble crochet, and now we need to make last steep stitch to join this round. If you work this way, you will see the yellow yarn. We need to insert the hook like that to finish with not noticeable. Now we can cut pink yarn, later we will hide them. That's what we have so far. Flower. Attach yellow yarn, leave the tail and attach in any top of the petal in a central loop. Make a chain and make single crochet. Now make 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Into the next petal we will make a corner. Yarn over, insert the hook into the central loop of the petal and make 2 double crochet, cluster. Do not finish first double crochet and make another one. Also do not finish. Yarn over, work through 3 loops at once. Now make 2 chains. Now make 2 treble crochet clusters. Yarn over 2 times, insert the hook into the same central loop. Yarn over, work through 2 times, do not finish. Again, yarn over 2 times, insert the hook into the same loop, do not finish. 3 loops on a hook. Yarn over, work through 3 loops at once. 2 chains, and now we need to make small double crochet cluster from 2 stitches. First, second, unfinished double crochet, yarn over, work through 3 loops at once. We made a corner. Make 5 chains, 2, 3, 4, 5. single crochet into the next petal, the central loop. Again, 5 chains and make exactly the same corner over here. Continue the same way. 1 single crochet, corner, single crochet, corner, single crochet, corner, single crochet, corner, and join. I'm about to finish. I need to make a slip stitch into the first chain to join this row. Ready. 1 chain to bring up the yarn, and we start row number 5. Into the first single crochet we will make 3 single crochet, increasing 2, 3. Now work 5 single crochet under the 5 chain arch, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 3 single crochet under the next 2 chain arch, next space, 3. To make a corner, make 3 single crochet, increasing into the top loop. Ready. Now turn and work the same way on other side. 3 single crochet under the space between clusters, 5 single crochet under the large arch, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 single crochet, increasing into the next slip stitch, single crochet, sorry, and continue the same way till the end. 5, 3 single crochet, 3 increasing, 3 increasing till the end. Row number 5 is almost ready. I need to make slip stitch into the very first loop into the chain. Ready. Row number 6, 1 chain to bring up the yarn, and from now on work single crochet in each loop till you reach the corner. And in a corner we will make 3 single crochet, increasing into the one loop. Next one. Over here we need to make 1, 2 and 3 single crochet. Continue the same way till the next corner. Over here will be 3 single crochet, increasing over here and over here. Slip stitch into the beginning of the row to join. Ready. If you want, you can leave the square like that. It also will be nice for your project. But if you want to continue, we will make row number 7. 1 chain to bring up the yarn. This will be instead of the single crochet. Now make 4 chains. Total for the first arch will be 5. Skip 2 loops, insert a hook into the third loop and make single crochet. That's the arch, and we will work arches all the way around. 4 chain, skip 2 loops, 1, 2, into the third loop, make single crochet, 2, 3, 4, continue till the end. 1, 2, 3, 4. It will be 4 arches on this side. Total will be 8. 8 over here and 8 over here. I made 32 arches, and now I need to make last slip stitch into the very first chain to join. Now we can cut the yarn and hide the tails. Wash and steam the motif to make the shape looks much more better. All done. That's how it looked like from the face side and from the wrong side. Thank you so much for watching, and see you later.